Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
So today we're looking at Bodmas fractions, and this deals with the book. We will be looking at the book F, worksheet 3. Okay. So the first sum, we have 1 minus 2 sevenths plus 1 over 7 multiplied by a quarter. So what needs to be done first? Multiplication. So it's going to be 1 over 1 minus 2 over 7 plus. Is there anything that can cancel here?
No, sir.
No. So it's going to be 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 7 is 20. Are you taking for a full mark? This is open up, no? What's your LCM here? 28. So 1 multiplied by 28 is 28. 1 multiplied by 28 is 20. 7 multiplied by what is 28? 4. So you multiply numerator also by 4. To get equivalent fractions, you multiply that by 1. As you can see, the denominator needs to be the same. 1 multiplied by 28 is 28 minus 8 plus 1. What's 28 minus 8? 20 plus 1? 21 over 28. What do you notice? What number goes into 21 and 28 without remainder? 7. 7 goes 3 times. And 7 goes into 28 4 times. The answer is 3 over 4 or 3 quarters. Okay. You look at number 3. As you're doing only the odd numbers, the questions to these exercises can be found in the description box here. So what do we need to do first, according to Bodmas? Division. We're going to change to multiplication. So it's going to be a quarter multiplied by 7 fifths minus 0,3 can be changed as 3 over 10 multiplied by 1 over 2. So what needs to be done now? Multiplication. See anything you can cancel there? No? So 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 minus. Is there anything that can cancel here? No. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. What do we notice? So really the same. So do I need to find a common factor LCM here?
No, sir.
No. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 over 20. So what do we notice now? 4 goes into 4 ones, 4 goes into 20. 5. There's 1 over. Okay. Any confusion there? Number 5. So we got 2 and 3 quarters plus a half times 2 thirds minus 1 and 5 sixths. What needs to be done first? Change everything to improper fraction. If you want, you could have done the multiplication there as well. So there's no change there, but I'm going to do it systematically. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 2 times 4 is, plus 3 is 11 over 4 minus. Is there anything that can cancel? Okay, I'm going to do this in the next step. Sorry, plus minus 1 times 6 is 6 plus 5 is 11 over 6. So what needs to be done first now? Multiplication. So what do we notice? 2 goes into 2 ones, 2 goes into 2 ones. So it's 11 over 4 plus 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3 minus 11 over. What's your LCM here? So let's multiply this by 3. Multiply this by 4. Multiply that by 2. So 3 times 11 is 33 plus 4 minus 22. 33 minus 22 is 11 plus 4 is 15. What's that? So is there any number that goes into 15 and into 12 without remainder? 3. 3 goes into 15? 5 times 3 goes into here? 4. So the answer is 5. Give me a minute. Just pause here quickly. Sorry about that. Right. So we've got 5 12s minus 5 over 28 multiplied by 0.7. So what needs to be done first here? Let's do the multiplication, not so.
Yes, sir.
But we're going to change the decimal to fraction. So it's minus 5 over 28 multiplied by 7 over. Michael, drop your tablet, please. Put it flat. I might look stupid to you, no? But I'm not. Okay? Take note of what's happening here, please. So you've got 5 over 12. Multiplication must be done first, not so. So anything can cancel here? Yes. 7 going to 7 once, so you're going to do 8 4 times. 5 going to 5 once, 5 going to 10 twice. Is there anything else that can cancel? No. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 2 is? What's your LCM here? 12. No, 12. How many times is 8 going to 12?
24, sir.
24 should be your LCM. So you multiply this by 2. This by 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 minus 3. What's 10 minus 3? 7 over 24. Anything else that can cancel then?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 7 going to 7 once.
Yes, 7 going to 7 once, 7 going to 24. How many times?
4 times.
7, 14, 21.
Oh, it gone, sir.
You can't, yes. Okay. 28, if that was 28, yes, then absolutely it will be 4. Well, let's look at number 9. What needs to be done first in number 9? Change to in the brackets, yes. But we're going to change first to improper fraction. So it's going to be 14 times 2 is 28, it's 31 over 14 divided by brackets 21, 22 over 7 minus 4 over 21. Now what needs to be done first? Is the brackets, not so. So it's 31 over 14 divided by, what's my LCM inside the bracket? 21. So multiply this by 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 times 1 is 21. So that's going to give you 66 minus 4. So we're going to change this to multiplication, tumble and times. Not so. So it's going to be 31 over 14 multiplied by 21 over 62. What do we see now? 7 goes into 14 twice, 7 going to 21 3 times. 31 going to 31 once, 31 going to 62 twice. So anything else that can cancel here? 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 2 is 3 over 4. Okay? Any confusion there? Number 11. What needs to be done first? Change to improper fraction. So 72 times 1 is 72 plus 13 is 85 over 72. Must be divided by 17 over 10 minus a quarter. So what needs to be done now? Tumble and times. Change division to multiplication. Not so. So that will be 85 over 72 multiplied by 10 over 17 minus a quarter. What needs to be done now? Still multiplication. Not so. 17 going to 17 once, 17 over 85 5 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times, 2 going to 72 36 times. So 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 36 times 1 is 36 minus a quarter. Now what? What's your LCM here? 36. So 36 multiplied by 1 is 36. 39, 4 times 9 is 36. 25 times 1 is 25 minus 9. That's 25 minus 9? 16. Is that correct? Now what do we say? What number goes into 16 and 36 without remainder? 4. 4 goes into 16 4 times. And 36 9 times. It's going to be 4 over. Any confusion there? No? Number 13. So what's going to be done first here? We change everything to improper fractions. So that's going to give you 23 over 4. That is 70. 2 over 35 divided by 36 over 35 minus 3 over 7. What needs to be done now? First, the division. You'll change it to multiplication, times and times. So it's 23 over 4 plus 72 out of 35 multiplied by 36 over 36. 36 over 35. This is supposed to have been 35 here. Nobody's correcting me. So it's 35 over 36 minus 3 over 6. So what needs to be done now? Multiplication again. So it will be 23 over 4 plus 36 goes into 36 once, 36 goes into 72 twice. 35 cancel 35. Gives you a 2 over 1 minus 3 over 6. So what do we do now? Find an LCM. Okay, and what's your LCM here? 28. Not so. Now let's multiply this by 7. That by 28. And this by 4. Now 23 multiplied by 7 is 21. 14, 15, 16. So it's 161. 28 times 2 is 56. Minus 12. Now 161 plus 56 gives us 7, 11, 217. 217 minus 12 gives you 5, 205. So it will be 205 over 28. Now what are the factors of 28? 1, 28, 2 and 14, 4 and 7. Of course 2 or 4 can't go into 205. Okay, so it's going to be worth a while to test if 7 goes into 205. So 7 goes into 20, 2 times, remainder 6. No, 7, 14. Yeah, it's remainder 6. Suppose it should be 63. So 7 is not divisible by 205. So the answer is 205 over 28. Okay? But it's just worth testing, just in case it could be divisible. And of course the last one, but in bracket 0,85 minus 13 over 20 multiplied by 10 and a half multiplied by 5 over 9. So what do we do first? Change to improper. Okay, yeah, that was the improper. The decimal of the fraction. Not so. It will be 85 over 100 as there's 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Minus 13 over 20. Multiplied by 21 over 2 multiplied by 5 over 9. So what needs to be done first now? Brackets. It's either you're going to go into an LCM, but you actually notice, but hang on. 5 goes into 120 times, and 5 goes into 85. 5 goes into 8 once, carry 3, 17 times. Do you see that, people? So now, what do you notice? That the denominators are really the same. Not so? So 17 minus 13 is 4 over 20. Multiply by 21 over 2. Multiply by 5 over. So what can happen now? See anything can cancel? Yes. 4 goes, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. 3 goes into 21 9 times, and 3 goes into 3 goes into 7 times, and 3 goes into here 3 times. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 20 4 times. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. So that means to say, what are we left with? We left with 1, 7, 1, 2, 1, 3. So what's 1 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1? 7. 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3? The answer is 7 over 6. Is there any confusion there? So that brings us to the end of Book F worksheet 3. Okay. The questions to this exercise can be found in the description box below.